Today, we're setting up a rodent monitoring sensor in a baiting station. The Microshare motion sensors can be installed in most industry standard baiting stations. In this example, we have a slot in the middle where we can install the sensor vertically. In other cases, you can install it elsewhere. To get the sensor started, you should pull the little plastic tab, which will free the battery and get the sensor to work. You probably will see a little blue LED flash. We are now going to associate this sensor with the baking station where it's installed. We use the Deploy app and go into the motion sensors, hit the scan button at the bottom, and now we can select the building, the site, the area. If the name that we are looking for is not available, we use the Create New tag and enter the location details. In this example, I need a trap 10. I'm just going to type that and hit save. I can now fit the sensor back into the baiting station, making sure that its lens is directly facing where the rodent will run.